I am going to show you how to stitch a 10 stitch, and this version of 10 stitch is called continental. So we're going to place our waist knot to the right, and we're going to stitch from left to right first. So we're going to bring our needle up, and we're just going to go over one intersection of the canvas, creating a tiny diagonal stitch. We're just going to continue that. Now notice that as I'm stitching, I am working the stitch from top right to bottom left. So I'm coming up at the top and right side of the intersection I'm going to cover and going down to the bottom and the left. We're going to drop down and work the second row, working from right to left. Notice that we are now working the stitch by coming up at the bottom left of the intersection we are covering and going down at the top right. So the stitch is worked differently depending on the direction it's being stitched. Why do we change the stitch based off of the direction we're stitching? Well, it all has to do with the back side of the canvas. If the stitch is worked correctly, you will see a long diagonal stitch covering the canvas back. If it's worked incorrectly, you will see short upright stitches or alternating rows of long diagonal stitches and short upright stitches, which will distort your stitching and your canvas with time. I'm also going to show you how to work vertically up and down a row of canvas. Again, notice that the stitch is worked differently depending on the direction it's being stitched.